Hey there, Ashman JP for Japan Online. Well, as you can see, we're expecting a couple of typhoons, and it looks like they're going to collide. Yep, we're expecting two typhoons, Typhoon 27 and 28 to hit. Typhoon 27. As we're about to see, is going to hit around. It's going up towards Okinawa, and then does a big U-turn like shape around towards the main island, going past the Hamamatsu Shizuoka Mount Fuji area, then through Tokyo, or just slightly south of Tokyo, but still a little. It should clip a bit of Honshu Islands, as you can see there. And then the second one, which is Typhoon 28, which is Lakima. And as you can see, it sort of starts at the southeast of Japan and is curving up to go sort of just past the right of Japan. And actually, this one here, Typhoon 28, has been classed as a super typhoon. It's pretty big. It's pretty strong, and we're probably lucky that it's going to miss us. So yeah, but the interesting part is what happens when these two typhoons sort of come together, which will be around about the 26th, which is Saturday. So all eyes on that. Which one's going to win, Typhoon 27 or Typhoon 28? Yeah. So I'll keep you posted on what the winds and rain are like for Typhoon 27 when it hits, and later on when it collides into Typhoon 28. But thanks for watching, and I'll keep you posted. Later.